Hey guys, coming at you with a quick video. I want to share with you this Aquabot Pool Rover S2-40i model that I picked up a few weeks ago and I've been using since. This is an awesome robot pool cleaner, and I just want to go ahead and show you this real quickly and show you some of the features. And I have a link down below to Amazon where I actually bought this from. It retails for about $300. I think I picked it up for $285. I had a $15 off coupon, which was awesome. It comes well packaged and it's a great unit to work with here. Love the top down feature as far as opening it up and getting access to the filters here. It uses 2-micron filters. The Aquabot is self-propelled. It has jets that move it back and forth, and I've been really happy with its performance. I think one of the best features on this unit is the ability to cycle water through its micron filters. This unit can do about 80 gallons per minute, which is quite incredible. In an hour cycle, it's doing just short of 5,000 gallons. So for a small pool like ours, which is about 10 to 11,000 gallons, we can cycle about 4,800 gallons through the Aquabot in an hour. And this is additional cleaning for the pool, not only just picking up things on the bottom, but actually filtering the water. So I have to say that we've quickly become a pool family here, especially with the pool this year and the new deck. And the Aquabot has been quite a saver as far as spending more time in the pool and less time on maintenance. It's actually quite amazing what goes through this machine as far as water. Even on a day when we throw this in and clean the pool and the water appears to be clean, there's actually quite a bit that gets picked up with the Aquabot, as you can see here. Just want to mention that the Aquabot comes in a couple different models depending on the type of pool you have and the needs you have for cleaning. They make bots that climb walls, and they make bots that are more simple, like this one we have. This one's perfect for our needs, and we've certainly enjoyed using it so far. Alright guys, the Aquabot has served us well, and we're looking forward to its continued use for our maintenance-free pool here. If you need one, check out the link below. As always, guys, thanks for watching. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question, and we'll catch you next time.